Oh, okay. Welcome back, guys. So in this video, I'm actually going to teach you how you can register your business name in Nigeria. Okay. All right. So let's get right into it. I'm going to teach you how to register your business name in Nigeria in let's say 5 simple steps. Right? Very simple. But before I get right into the main tutorial of teaching you how you can register your business name in Nigeria, I really want to talk about business, okay, and what you need to have set in place before you even think of using the knowledge that you gain from this video. Okay, sorry about my face. I'm just trying to look good for you guys. All right, so before you even think about registering your business name in Nigeria, there are some things you ought to have put in place. The first thing to do when you start a business is not really to register the business name, or it's not to make it a legal entity. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to ensure that you understand your business, the value you're giving, the solution you're trying to solve, your customers, the market, and ensure that money is already changing hands. What do I mean by money is already changing hands? That means you already have certain people paying for your product or your service. This is the first thing that you need to have sorted out. Okay, you already have a market and you have customers that are already paying for your product and service. Then you now want to legalize things a little. Okay, so in this video I will teach you practically how you can register, whether it's your company, whether it's your business name, how you can do it by yourself. I actually registered my business name by myself, and the process was very easy. I didn't need to go to a lawyer or visit any court, or I did everything myself from the comfort of my home. So I'm teaching you. One of the benefits you will get when you register a business name in Nigeria by yourself is that you will be able to open a bank account in your business name. Okay, that's one of the benefits you get. You'll be able to open a bank account in your business name, and then you'll be able to get some documentations like your business TIN that you use for other things, and so on and so forth, right? And then of course you would have the benefit of gaining the trust of your customers when you have your CAC CAC registered business, right? At least your customers would trust you more when you have such. But like I said, before you even think of applying the knowledge you learn in this video, please ensure that you already have a market, customers that are actually paying for your product and your service. So let's get right into the video, guys. If you want to register a business name in Nigeria, it's very simple. All you need to do is visit the CAC website, and of course CAC means Corporate Affairs Commission. Okay, so let me show you what I mean. cac.gov.ng. This is the website you need to visit if you're going to register a business name. Okay, permit me to, okay, let me just connect properly. Yep. All right, so let me reload this, and so you see, this is the website where everything is done, and you can do it yourself by following the process I'll show you in this video. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go to service. You're going to see company's business name, incorporated trustee, summary of fees, service timeline, etc. But what you want is business name. Now I told you 5 steps you would get your business name registered. The first step is to of course visit the website cac.gov.ng and go to business name. Then you need to check the name you are trying to register. Let's say your name is Ade and Sons Limited. Ade and Sons Services, right? Ade and Sons Services, or Ade and Sons Solution, something like that. You go to business name, then you see the steps right here. Can you see? Number 1, you check for availability. Number 2, you complete the pre-registration form. It's very easy. Okay, you can complete it online. Then you pay your filing fees. Okay, I think it's 5,000, right? Or I think it's 5 or 10,000, but we'll see everything right here. Now registration is end-to-end on company's registration portal, right, with electronic certificate of registration and certified extract of registration information. Note, individuals/proprietors can register business name without, can you see what I'm telling you, without the services of legal practitioner, chartered accountant, or chartered secretary. You can register your business name without a legal practitioner or anybody. You can do it yourself, guys. So what you need to do is click here. I'm going to open it in another tab so you see what I'm saying. So this is it. You need to do a public search. So this is step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, right, of the search. You need to search for the name first. So what you do, you of course you want to click search now. You see it opens up in another place. So when you click search now, you search for the name that you are trying to register. Okay, and I'm going to use this with one of my business names that I've registered so that you see what I'm saying. If I do a search for that particular business name, you see that the name will come up, right? So for example, I want to search record now, and I want to search Drillabyte, right? Because I have registered this name already. So when I click Drillabyte, of course, click search, business name, you see, can you see? When I click on business name, you see it comes up, right? You can see the business name. I registered it as a business name, then I later upgraded it to a company. That's why you see Drillabyte Solutions Limited. So this is a company. I'll tell you the difference between a business name, it carries the BN, which is business name, and RC, registered company. So Drillabyte is a registered company, right? Now let's search for something else. So I'm going to search for Fola Agoro services. So I'll do search, and we want to make sure that you don't have any of the exact match. Okay, so Fola Agoro and Sons services, search. You see, so you want to at least get something like this, right? Fola Agoro and Sons services. So if I copy this now, then I can go back here and then reserve the name. Okay, so I'll click on step 2 to reserve the name. It's loading, as you can see. So once this loads, all I need to do is just put the name that I've chosen, right? But remember, the first step is to search and make sure it doesn't come up. Somebody is not using that name. Because if you reserve a name that someone is using, then you are going to pay twice, right? You are going to pay 2 times for the name reservation, because you actually you make a payment for name reservation, and then you make another payment for registration. So again, all you need to do is sign up. You click sign up so that you can sign up if this is your first time, right? So I'll click sign up. To load. So once it loads, I can easily sign up with my email, do every necessary thing. Then once I'm signed up, I can now reserve the name. So again, your NIN details for you to sign up, you put your phone number, put your NIN, you click on next. It will take you through the process of signing up, right? And once you sign up, you can now register. You can now look at the name you want, and what do you call it? You can now reserve the name, and after you reserve the name, you come out. It will give you a result maybe in 48 or 1 week. Let's say maximum 1 week. It will give you the result. Then you register and you pay for the filing. Now let us look at the cost. Okay, so let's look at the cost. So let's check the fees so that you see the cost of registering the business name. Okay guys, I'm guessing it's 10,000. Name reservation 500. Okay, this is for limited liability company. Okay guys, this is it. Business names, right? You can see name reservation, you pay 500. Name reservation for restricted words 5,000. Registration, okay, and CTC of registration document 10,000, right? So the total money you'll be spending is 10,500, okay, for the business name registration. And with the business name, like I said, you can now open a bank account, you can have your business, you can have your your TIN and so on and so forth, right? So another tip is, with the knowledge you've learned from this simple tutorial, you can start to do this for people and actually charge them for it. Okay, so if this is your first time, please ensure that you subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next one, guys. If you have any question whatsoever, you're trying to do this and you're finding it difficult, just ask your questions in the comments and I will try my best to answer every question. Okay, so I remain myself innocent, and thank you for watching this one. Until I see you in the next one. Bye guys.